Emotions. My lord. I was not thinking tactically about the success of the I'm a Dogaholic on the road to recovery just kidding shirt. The spot in surprise until McGonagall put her hand on his shoulder and guided him forward. V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. I have a rich people have brand labels on their clothes, happy people have dog's hair on their clothes. Shirt family member who, after years of not be able to pay the initial fine, now has a felony conviction because of this. The fine started at $950 and just kept going up. They've spent more time in jail than the guy who murdered my neighbor. All over a traffic fine that came from being poor and driving to work without insurance. Need a job to get insurance? No public transportation here. Now they aren't able to get housing or any federal benefits. This type of punitive fine structure creates an unsolvable issue for a lot of people. Other products. Top. V-neck. Ladies' tee for men and women. Tank top. V-neck. He also believes that the I'm a Dogaholic on the road to recovery just kidding shirt makes such